If you're tired of fuel pump upgrades that require rubber hose, clamps, or unreliable lines, then we have the solution for you. What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and these are the nicest fuel hat assemblies on the market. Snow Performance fuel hats are engineered, CNC machined, and built right here in the USA from 6061 billet aluminum. These billet hats receive a black anodized finish for the ultimate in durability and corrosion resistance, making them compatible with E85 and other harsh fuels. No detail has been overlooked with these assemblies, as they are designed to eliminate any cheap hose clamps or flow-restricting, leak-prone, unreliable lines. Our CNC machine bodies feature Viton chemical-resistant O-rings and guarantee a perfect, leak-free fit. Snow fuel hats completely replace your factory fuel hat bucket for an easy installation while retaining your factory tank features, including the OE fuel level sending unit, the evap system, your filler neck, and if you have a saddle style tank, the fuel transfer pump functionality. Our fuel hats are sold without the return and feed fittings so that you can get exactly what you need to feed your system. There are no knockoff pumps here. You're going to get guaranteed OE reliability with TI Automotive, better known as Walbro fuel pumps, and flow rates of either 450 or 470 liters per hour. These truly are the best fuel hats on the market. For more information, visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.